Hey, Chuck. Chuck. Oh, Chucky, can you come talk to me for a minute? Huh? Chuck! See, this is what I get. And I'm about to get a Malamute puppy, and people tell me that they're stubborn and they don't want to listen to you sometimes. You think I'll have a problem with that? Chuck! Hey, Chuck! Come here! He's like about 6 feet away from me. Chucky! Come! Well, it's about goddamn time, okay? Sit. Sit down. Okay, more rebellion. Sit. Okay. I got something serious to ask you. I have a friend that has a Malamute puppy, 7 months old, and needs a home. And you guys are so sweet and so good and so knowledgeable. I'm sure you could train that puppy in 3 days how to behave like a good boy. So is it okay if I guess not? Chuck, I'm not done with my question. Come here. Okay, sit again. Sit so I can actually see you. Sit. Chuck, sit. Chuck, why are you being so rebellious? Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna expect you to train him. Okay. Give me 5. Chucky, will you sit? Please? Pretty please? Sit. Is it okay if I bring the Malamute home for you to train? High five if it's yes. Down low if it's a no. Okay. So you're saying that's a no? How about a high five? Well, so now you're not sure. Okay. High five if it's yes. Down low if it's no. You don't want to train the Malamute. Oh, you do? Well, cool. Yeah, maybe you don't. Okay. Well, he's coming home anyways. So it's going to be your job to train him. Is that okay?